Oh friends, welcome to a new video. Top 5 Best
Woodchippers.
Number 5.
Yard Beast 3514 429cc 14 horsepower wood chipper. Heavy 52 pounds rotor, its uniquely designed and high diameter disc optimizes torque recovery to maintain chipping power. Powerful 14 horsepower, 429cc Kohler CH440 engine. Heavy-duty Norm professional clutch transmission with 2 high-power transfer belt. All steel fabrication, high-gauge steel and powder-coated. Two-year warranty.
Number 4.
Sunjoe CJ602E 15-amp electric wood chipper. Ideal for turning branches and twigs into nutrient-rich garden mulch. Powerful 15-amp motor effectively chips and shreds branches up to 1.5 inches thick. Compact design with 6-inch wheels for easy portability. Safety hopper with locking knob prevents the motor from operating when opened. Hopper dimensions 2x 5 inches. Wheel size 6-inch. EDL approved. Full 2-year warranty.
Number 3.
Patriot Products CSV 3100B 10 horsepower Briggs. The tripping power of the 10 horsepower Briggs engine coupled with Patriot's unique design will wow you. Make short work of branches up to 3 inches in diameter. Shredding leaves as a breeze with Patriot's swinging Y-hammer system. The side discharge allows you to work in the same location all day long without moving the chipper. State compliant.
Number 2.
Yard Beast 2510 wood chipper. Yamaha MC 309.0 horsepower gas engine. Hilliard centrifugal clutch with 1 V-belt transmission. Operator safety equipment, gloves, safety lens, earplugs. Two years warranty on Yard Beast 2510 all steel pro wood chipper with trailer kit. Operator manual canister includes user manual, engine's user manual and assembler fasteners.
Number 1.
Yard Beast 2050 305cc wood chipper. Powerful Briggs & Stratton 305cc will eat anything you throw at it. All steel fabricated, high-gauge steel and powder-coated. tread and demolish all green, dry and leafy material, size reduced by its 7/8 standard screen. Heavy 32 pounds rotor with its uniquely designed 10 full shred heat-tempered flails and 2 chipper blades. Heavy-duty bearing clutch makes for easy starts and engine protection.